This is the Bank Nifty daily charts. So you can see today big green candle was formed. Market was trending all the way, broke all-time highs as well. Let me take you to the 15-minute chart to see what happened. So we had these resistance zones. They were all taken out today itself. So on Friday, market closed at 37,775, and today the market opened up 37,782, so kind of flat, and essentially took these zones out instantly. Now we thought after this zone, which is around 200 odd levels, there might be some covering happening up. It took out both these zones. At this point, we also noticed that both the market was going up and the IVs were going up. Typically, that is a sign of reversal. So we waited for this. Around here is actually when we added our first calls. IVs, when we started building positions, were around 19. Now we're not trading for this week, 14th expiry, we're trading for the 21st expiry. So even though what we first wrote calls over here went slightly in the money, we didn't cut too many positions because we've only used less than 30% or so, and we've got about a 1900 point spread through the 2 weeks. One of the other things that we noticed towards the end of the day was this. See if I take this here and I draw here, joining these points, we had a trend line, and as this reversal sign started kicking in around here is where we were getting confirmations that a reversal signs was coming in. We marked here as well a zone where the market took support and then took off as well. So we wanted the market to close around this 38, 100, 150 odd levels to actually um, sort of get a considerable pullback, considering that we have put our calls around 38, 100, 200 is when the market was there. We did our first calls at around 38, 200 or so. Overall, what started off at around 960 in terms of straddle closed 960. IVs I think opened up around 19 or so in the morning and were 20, therefore we didn't get any decay. Again, now since we're trading for the 21st, on the first day or rather second day, we aren't really looking at too much decay, but we are looking to build positions moving forward. So our plan for tomorrow is this. We've got a resistance zone here at the all-time high. So we've definitely got a level around here that we need to look at. We've got supports also, and quite a bit of them. We've got supports here. We've got supports here. And around here as well, right, where we've marked small zones, we've got supports. So what we're looking at is what the market will do here, right? There is this swing low of around 38, 130 or so, to try and see what the market does. In the first few hours, if it comes, tests this, bounces back, if it opens up, gap up, will it test this? So there's a lot of potential positions to be looked at. Overall, there's still this gap that needs to be covered. And if we look at the daily charts again, this is the 20-day moving average. The market closed around 38,200 and the 20-day moving average is around 37,400. So there's quite a bit of gap that has been created. We need to see whether those will be tested, whether the markets will take some sort of consolidation and then move forward. But overall, these are our 2-3 zones that we've got created, and if it breaks this, which would be around 37,800 as well, right? Big candle, 50%. We've got a level around here as well to work around it. Overall, even though today was not a great day in terms of decay, but we built a great position so that we can work and build ourselves so that we can end our week in profit.